Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to create line arrow shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to create line arrow shape in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click shapes option and we can see here many shape. We select the line arrow shape. Now this is line arrow and we select it. Then draw this shape perfectly to press shift on your keyboard. Then draw these shapes. Now we can see here we create line arrow shape. You can change this shape color. Click the shape and go to the format menu. Then click the shape outline, select any color. Now I select the red color. Otherwise you apply some another effect like presets or shadow, reflection, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.